Good morning. Here we have another start of our next project. Another Chout I will be building. It's all in these boxes here. That's the frame. The engine. So I will take everything out and make an inventory and see what is missing, what is here, and let's see how a project starts from the beginning. What I would like to do now is take all the Indian parts out, inspect them carefully. A lot of them need a little bit of attention, a little bit of welding, planning. But first I would like to take everything out, inspect it, and try to mount the dummy engine together and put it in the frame so we have a little look.